A quality socket wrench set can make all the difference when it comes to tackling various automotive tasks, from simple repairs to more complex jobs. But with so many options available on the market, how do you find the best budget socket wrench set that offers both durability and performance? In this video, we will explore some of the top budget-friendly socket wrench sets available on the market. We will dive into the key features and details of the product, helping you make an informed decision. Let's start. Number 1. DEWALT DEWALT socket wrench set. Looking for a durable and comprehensive socket wrench set? The DEWALT DEWALT is a top choice for its reliability and range of tools. This set offers a wide variety of tools in a durable and well-organized case, making it perfect for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. The high-quality construction ensures long-lasting performance. Key features: stackable with a removable inner tray, exceeds ANSI specifications, 5-degree arc swing for tight spaces, hard stamped markings on sockets, knurled rings for better control. Number 2. Egofine socket wrench set. The Egofine socket wrench set is perfect for light to medium tasks. This set includes a variety of sockets and a durable ratchet handle, all housed in a sturdy carrying case. The sockets are made from high-quality steel, ensuring durability and long-lasting performance. The ergonomic design of the ratchet handle provides a comfortable grip, making it easy to work on your car for extended periods. Key features: made from chrome vanadium steel with a mirror chrome finish, includes 21-bit sockets and 13 metric sockets. Various extension bars for different scenarios. Comes with a sturdy blow-molded toolbox. Rubber handle for better comfort and control. Number 3. OTLOOMTBT socket wrench set. The OTLOOMTBT socket wrench set offers a comprehensive selection of tools at an attractive price point. This set includes both standard and deep sockets, along with a versatile ratchet handle. Made from chrome vanadium steel, the sockets are built to withstand heavy use. The set also comes with a convenient carrying case, keeping your tools organized and easy to transport. Key features: made from hardened chrome vanadium steel, mirror polished finish with triple plating, quick release switch and reversible mechanism. Comes with a hard plastic organizer, ideal for home improvement, auto repair, and DIY projects. Number 4. DEWALT DEWALT socket wrench set. Renowned for its high-quality tools, DEWALT delivers another winner with the DEWALT socket wrench set. This set features a range of sockets and a durable ratchet handle, all crafted from chrome vanadium steel for maximum durability. The set also includes a handy carrying case, making it easy to keep your tools organized. DEWALT's reputation for quality and reliability makes this set a great choice for any DIY auto mechanic. Key features: direct torque technology prevents fastener rounding, knurled ring for better control, 72-tooth ratchets with 5-degree arc swing, includes 1x4-inch and 3x8-inch drive tools, durable and corrosion resistant. Number 5. EPAuto ST-03A-1 socket wrench set. The EPAuto ST-03A-1 socket wrench set is an excellent option for those looking for a comprehensive and affordable tool set. This set includes a variety of sockets and a durable ratchet handle, all made from chrome vanadium steel. The set comes in a compact carrying case, ensuring your tools are always organized and easy to find. Key features: made from hardened chrome vanadium steel, chrome-plated and mirror polished, includes a sturdy plastic organizing case. Both metric and English sizes included. 3/8 reversible ratchet included. Number 6. Performance Tool W1173 socket wrench set. The Performance Tool W1173 socket wrench set offers great value for money with its comprehensive range of sockets and a sturdy ratchet handle. This set is versatile and durable, making it perfect for various tasks with organized storage and professional-grade quality. Key features: 40 pieces including ratchet and accessories. Sockets from 5 by 32 inch to 3 by 4 inch and 4 millimeters to 17 millimeters. Sturdy blow-molded case. Chrome vanadium construction. Ideal for mechanics. Number 7. LLNDEI XAH22095 socket wrench set. The LLNDEI XAH22095 socket wrench set is a budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on quality. This set includes a variety of sockets and a durable ratchet handle, all made from high-quality steel. The set also comes with a compact carrying case, ensuring your tools are always organized and easy to transport. The ergonomic design of the ratchet handle makes it comfortable to use, even for extended periods. Key features: made from chrome vanadium steel, includes both metric and standard sizes, 1 by 4 inch bits and extensions. High-impact drop forge construction. Easy identification of socket sizes. Contains a variety of tools and accessories. Thanks for watching. The sets we reviewed all offer great value for budget-conscious buyers without compromising on quality and durability. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it. Don't forget to subscribe for more product reviews and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.